Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Wendy here, independent stump demonstrator living in Narberth, Pembrokeshire. And I thought today I would make another card from Note of Kindness box. And we're going to sort of sort through these while I'm talking to you. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make this, one here. Lovely little card. Right, just watch it. Right, first of all, can you see that there? Can you see? Yeah. Right, it tells me here that I need the card with the green splodge on. Look at all these cards. Oh, there we go. Card with a green splodge. Once again, bumpy bit in the middle, fold it in and score it. So that's step one. Can't see where you see a much there. Right, then I don't need those. So you get so much with this set, it's absolutely incredible what you get. Right, now then what I need is along one of these, and this is going to be for the sentiment. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to stamp the sentiment now so that it will have dried by the time I get to the end of the card and it won't be splodged like last night's was, or yesterday afternoon's. Stamps, Wendy, stamps, come on. Right, got a few sentiments in here. You've got thanks, little kisses, you're so kind, and little branches are always very, very useful because you can always you can use them as, what's it called, like a filler inner. If there's a word, there is now. Well, if it wasn't a word, there is now. So what I want to do, I'm going to use the word thanks, like it says there. Keep it there for a bit so you can see exactly what I'm blabbering on about. Right, so take this off. Take that off. Now, it does also come with a block and some black ink. But because that's new and sealed, I'm not going to bother opening that now. So now I'm going to get the block on the grid paper. And then I'm going to try. Here we go. I go quiet, don't I? When I'm concentrating, I go very, very quiet. Which is, if you know me, that is not possible for me to go quiet. Right, stamp that on. Inked that up well. Just going to once again line it up with the grid. This is also in my Stamping Up shop. Also check to see if you've got any ink on the outside of your block, because what's on the block, it might transfer onto your... stand up for a bit so I can have a bird's eye view. It did one yesterday, it did not... It wasn't straight, it was a bit wonky. So I thought, well, here we are, that'll do me, as they say. And then I've got I'll do that afterwards. Right, so I've got that now then. Oh no, I'm going to do those. Take this thanks off, and what I'll do is I'll go around and I'll clean them all off afterwards. It's a big block. It's a big block, but never mind. Right, now then, as you can see here, they've got all the numbers of how you put it together. So you go 1, 2. Oh no, what this is, on the inside, you've got an assembly key. So this tells you every step, these number the steps, or number the articles in the set, and which ones you should use where. Right, now I need to get the orangey one. Oh, right, I need that one. Oh, better move my card back, otherwise I'm not going to stamp it. Right, put the card there. It says to get the orange stripy one. Now, what is very good about these is they're peel-offs and stick-ons. And I shall put this, they say, about there. There-ish, yeah, about there-ish. There we go, there's one strip on. And then they say they put the next bit on, which is the green. Again, it's adhesive, and we just very slightly overlapping. I've got a bit too over lightly there, I think. That's on. Now what I did yesterday was a bit of a mess, so what I'm going to do today, I'm going to stamp just dots. No, I'm not. You've got these. I think there's about 4, 5 or 6 of these elements, and that's all you do is you pop them out. It's as easy as that. I put that there, that could go over to the bin. Now then I want the flower to be around there. Okay, I'm not going to stick it down yet, but I just want some sort of can't even think of the word now. I would guide, so I could put some of them. Oh, it's been one of those days today, I think. Put some there. And all these little bits, all these extra bit of stamping that we do, it just gives a little bit more depth and dimension to the cards. And you've got that there, so these, well, you don't have to do exactly, but I'm just showing you what can be done and how very, very easy it is to make this kit up. Now then, I'm going to put the thanks on. Right, hopefully that's dry. I'm going to try not to touch it. You see, I get so excited I can't even speak properly. Calm down, that woman. Right. Put these dimensions on and get this bit off, which didn't work yesterday. No, it was a bit of a disaster yesterday. I thought I'd done 3 videos. Well, I made 3 cards. I only got 1 video out of 3 cards. I just looked one up now to publish it onto YouTube, and there was 10 minutes of nothing. I don't know how that happened, I'm sure. Right, I'm now going to stick this round. Let's get it over a little bit, shall we? Put it about there. Here we are. And then this as well goes on to dimensionals. I mean, you just get everything in the set. You don't need to buy anything extra because everything is here in the set. I mean, it's ideal if if you want to just get a set, and they're on offer as well. You just want to get a set and just for something to do mainly. Another thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little dot there and pull the top off if I can. Now don't go sticking back on there, you silly piece of paper. Right, now then, yesterday I was playing with this, and I did manage to do it, but it was all wrong. Well, it wasn't wrong, it just didn't. Me and string again, you see, it just doesn't go very well. But what I've done with this, which I think is quite handy, is save it unravelling. Can you see what I've done there? I've just put a little nick in the top so that you can just slide that in and then it doesn't unwind. It's full of useful tips, I am. Right, now that I did this yesterday, and I don't know how they've done it. I think they've done that, and they've tied a knot in it. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to tie a knot in it. There. And I'm going to stick it to there. I know I've got it too long, but not to worry. Or shall I worry? I'll do enough further up, I think, if I could possibly do that now. That's a bit better. There we are, that's better. So put that there. No, I don't, do I? No, I don't. Where's the other thing gone? Oh my word, where's it gone? It's stuck to my, oh dear, it's stuck to my my top. Right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to slip that in there, leaving a little bit of the dimensional sticking out, and then I'm going to it needs to go further in, doesn't it? Oh dear, dear, dear. What I'm going to do, I don't use string very often, as you could probably tell. Now these don't come in the kit, but because I'm a practicing string putter on her, I'm going to put that there. I will put the little dot. These are glue dots. You could buy these in my shop as well. What I've done here, I've copied many people, and what they've done, they put a piece of string in, so as you go around, you could just do it like that. Because if you didn't, as you know, it just goes, spring goes everywhere. Right, I've got the little glue dot there, and then I'm going to put this knot over the glue dot, and then I'm going to come in here and I'm going to cut them off. There we are. You need to stick that over slightly so it's not overhanging the card. And there we are. Lovely thank you card, made in, should have only taken a few minutes, but I expect it's taken a lot longer for me today. So that's another little card that you can make. And there's 4 cards that you can make from this set, 4 different cards. I'm just trying to see. Yes, you can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, yeah, 5 of each card by the looks of it, unless my counting is wrong. But please pop over to the Stampin' Up online shop and grab yourself this. Did I say as well, it's on the last chance product list, so you get, there is a bit of a bargain to be had here. So thank you ever so much for bearing with me today, and I hope you try this card yourself, and please share on my Facebook page. Thank you for watching now. Bye.